Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another wig review. Now, as you guys can see, I have another wig with some bangs, but this time this is body wave. Okay, this wig is from UNice, so I'll be sure to leave everything down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. They are very popular, but in case you didn't know, now you know. So I'm gonna show you the construction of the wig, which is not too much, and I'm gonna give you a little bit more details about the wig and also let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So of course this wig does not have any combs, which I showed you how the inside of the wig looks. So no combs, it just has an adjustable strap. So again, this is from UNice. This is their glueless body wave human hair wig with bangs. It is 150 density, and this is 16 inches in natural color. Now it retails for about $95.40 on Amazon. Glueless, no glue needed at all. It's human virgin hair, Brazilian hair, 12 to 24 inches that it comes in. It's full machine made without lace in the front. And as you guys saw, they sent me a wig cap and also the extra like elastic band. It's not really elastic, but okay. So it is very soft. I haven't noticed any shedding at all. It's very soft. It reminds me of my Nadula wig, of course, as you guys have seen before, but this one is just body wave. So all I did was brush it out a little bit more. Well, it's really cute. I like this one. So this is how the front looks with the bangs. This is the side, the back, and then the other side. So I want to thank UNice for reaching out to me. They are definitely one of the companies that I really wanted to work with. So I'm so happy that they reached out to me and asked me to review their wig. So I really do hope to continue to work with them in the future. But that's about it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.